Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is like a mystery unboxing. I'm not sure what my wife bought, but I'm just trying to unbox it for you guys to check it out. So I think she said she bought something in shoes, so I don't even know. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this unboxed for you guys to check them out. Shit. What the? So hopefully there's no invoice in here. In case there's an invoice, I'm gonna take it out. So I believe this is the, oh, there's an invoice in there. So I guess she bought this when it's on sale. Okay. It seems like she bought two of this blouse. $28 each. So she got two. I believe it's a different color. And then wow, the shoes is $98. And then she has this mini dress for $58. So then you got the additional 25% off, which is $38 off. And then she has an automatic discount, the VIP Gold. So subtract $25.95. So this is the total damage of the $147.05. The tax is $13.96. And there's no shipping fee. Wow. So this is cheaper than one of the Supreme hoodie. And she get 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So that's smart shopping. So let's go ahead and then pop this open and see what she got. Wow, the package pretty nice with this tissue paper, MAXSTUDIO. So here it goes. What a quick unboxing for you guys. So let's see. You got nice, this is like a green yellowish box, and then you got this green tissue paper. I'm not sure, is it a real leather or what is this? So, wow, I got that nice MAXSTUDIO logos right there. Okay. Kind of like a shiny silver, chrome-like. It says fine leather upper, leather lining. This is a size 8 medium. And you got this Velcro right here on the back of the heel or ankle. This is a shoe tree. You got 3 shoe trees. You got the nice MAXSTUDIO label right there. I'm not sure if that's gonna bother or not. So this is pretty nice. It's padded right here around the toe box. So yeah, even on the in the middle section of your foot right there, it is padded as well. But I'm not sure about this leather stitching sticking out. Made in China. So she got this directly from MAXSTUDIO. This is not fake. This is original, authentic product. All right, so that's that for the shoes. Let's move on to the next item. Got so much tissues. MAXSTUDIO. Let's see what is next. So they wrap around again with this MAXSTUDIO tissue paper. Ooh, yeah. So I guess this one is the mini dress. Wow. Regular price is $138 and she got it for $58 plus all those discount. Pretty nice, eh? She did an awesome job. MAXSTUDIO, size medium. Okay, take this out so you can see it real quick. So my wife is being very generous for you guys because she want me to unbox it for you guys to check it out before she even see it with her own eyes. So there's a button right there by the cuff. And on the back, you got this sexy cut open right here, and then there's a button right there. All right, let's move on to the next one. These two are the same, just different color. %60 cotton, 40% rayon. Got this nice hand tag with the MAXSTUDIO. Regular price is $88. She got it for $28. So don't ever pay retail, guys. Okay, buy when it's on sale. I cannot stress enough, and I hate paying resale price. So this is kind of like a bluish color. There's no pocket or anything like that, and this is the bottom by the hem design, and this is by the cuff. Let's get into this last one. Should be the same thing, just like a gray color. MAXSTUDIO, 60% cotton, 40% rayon is the same thing. MAXSTUDIO. So there's no button at all, anything. So alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video guys. Please hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on that bell for notification, and drop any other comments down below. Please drop any other comments down below and see if she got an awesome deal or what. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video guys. Like always, peace out.